Hey Hoobuy warriors, welcome to this highly requested Hoobuy tutorial. I'm DK Reps and today I'm going to show you how to order on Hoobuy. Before we dive into the actual video, let's start with a quick overview of what Hoobuy is. Hoobuy is an agent that buys products for you from Chinese sellers and manufacturers, stores them in their warehouse, takes product pictures for you to check, and then ships them to you. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First, you'll need to create an account on Hoobuy. Click on sign up, enter your email address, create a new password, and confirm it. Once that's done, you can add an invitation code to get shipping coupons. Use my code LXYLWLRO to get $130 worth of shipping coupons for your hauls. After creating your account, click on your profile, go to the wallet tab, and then click on coupons. You should now see a list of 19 different coupons you can use for shipping. Isn't that nice? Next, you'll need a link to the product you want to buy on Hoobuy. To make it easy for you, I've created a spreadsheet with over 2,000 items, including shoes, clothes, basically everything you could think of. Using my spreadsheet is simple. Look for or search the item you want, then click on the link. Let's use the Air Force One as an example. To find my spreadsheet, give in beacons, DAI DK Reps in your browser and press enter. Click on the second link and open the spreadsheet. Then use Ctrl+F to search for Air Force Ones and press enter. You'll see a list of different items with Air Force in their names. Once you find the item you like, click on the link and it will open the Hoobuy product page for that item. For some items, you might receive a warning pop-up. Don't worry, you can easily remove it. Just open inspection mode on your browser, find the line called L overlay and remove it. This will get rid of the pop-up. With the product page open and the pop-up removed, you can proceed with placing your order on Hoobuy. The sizes for shoes are almost always in EU sizes. If you plan on purchasing a t-shirt or other clothing, always scroll down and look for a sizing chart. Sizes can vary, so check the sizing chart to be sure. For example, an XL might fit like an M. Once you've selected the items you're looking for, add them to your cart. Next, we'll use Hoobuy's shipping estimator to estimate our shipping cost. Note that you'll be paying for the products plus shipping. You'll need to categorize the items for the estimator to know what you're buying. Then when you're done, click enter. Now you'll see a list of shipping lines. For the US, use EMS, with the best option being GD EMS. For Canada, do the same or use SAL. For the UK, use GD EMS or Royal Mails line, and for Europe, use DHL duty-free lines. For Scandinavian countries, EMS is fine as well. All these lines offer insurance and are safe, and that's it. You're ready to place your order and get your products shipped to you. Let's proceed to finalize the order. Once you finish the order, you'll see it under the Orders tab. Here you can view information such as the order number, order date, and most importantly, the order status. There are 5 statuses. Pending process means the order just came in and needs to be processed. Purchased means Hoobuy has bought the items. Shipped means the seller is shipping the item to Hoobuy's warehouse. Arrived indicates the items have reached the warehouse and are stored. Once the item has arrived at the warehouse, you can see QC pictures, which stand for quality checks. Hoobuy is currently very busy and has many orders, so expect to wait some time. Once your order has been stored, you can see it under the Warehouse tab. You can select the item and continue the shipping process by paying for shipping. Always select stretch film and corner protection for your parcel and bubble wrap for fragile items. Then you'll be prompted to declare your items. Declaring is just telling the shipping company an estimated value of your items. Never declare the original value or you will pay taxes. For the US and UK, always declare $12 per kilo for shipping with all lines. For Canada, no matter how many kilos, always declare $14. For DHL duty-free, you have to declare between 16 to 21. And that's it. You're ready to finalize your order and get your products shipped to you. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and put thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a DM on my IG or TikTok. That was it, warriors.